Hey, at Shimmer Blast today, I'll show you how to make this fun throwing star game for a party and painted throwing stars. I am painting the Chinese character for Loyal on the throwing stars. My son showed me the correct order for writing this character. If you practice painting the character on the plate first, it'll give you confidence for painting the stars. Use what character you'd like. You could write your party guest's name and let them keep it as a party favor. I used plastic tablecloth to cover my box. Tape both ends like a present. The mistake I made here is printing the falcons on thick printer paper. Because of the thick paper, our throwing stars didn't cut through. When the kid's star hit a falcon, they could go up and punch it all the way through. At parties, you always have to just have a plan B. We pulled out our darts too and let the kids target the falcons. It was lots of fun. Like and subscribe for more party ideas.